Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG Drive on Chikki. First, you will need to download the Chikki app onto your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. A strong and stable internet connection is essential for a smooth cloud gaming experience. After logging in, navigate to the search bar within the Chikki application. Type BeamNG Drive and select the game from the results. On the game's detail page, you can see its availability and any virtual currency requirements. Once ready, simply press the play button to begin streaming the game. Once BeamNG Drive starts, you will see virtual on-screen controls. For a more immersive experience, consider connecting a Bluetooth gamepad to your device. You can customize control layouts and sensitivity within the game's settings menu. BeamNG Drive is known for its incredibly realistic soft body physics, offering unique vehicle damage. To ensure the best experience, play in an area with excellent Wi-Fi or a very fast mobile data connection. Close any unnecessary background applications on your device to free up resources. If you encounter lag, try lowering the in-game graphics settings. Always keep an eye on your virtual currency balance for uninterrupted gameplay.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.